So here's our campsite. We are in space number 13. 13 is a fantastic spot. A little bit smaller parking, but good enough for our RV here. It's pretty flat. Got a little barbecue doohickey here. Okay. It's surrounded by all the live oak, all the Quercus white oak trees. We have our toy on, a little barbecue pit or fire pit for you. Lots of space for our chairs. Big flat area here. We have a tent. Now I've got this out sunny cot tent, which I think is rather cool. We have a lot of western sycamores. So here in this dead sycamore tree, we have an acorn woodpecker nest. Little hole right there.
Here you go. He's in. He's at the door. Oh, flying in. There he goes. There are two of them there? Do they both fly there?
Oh, there he goes. Oh, oh, oh.
One just flew out.
There's another one coming out. Down here's a stream. I'll show you. Watch out for all the poison oak. All right. There's a lot of poison oak here. There's a space here. You can hang your laundry up after you wash it in the stream. This guy here is a Steller's jay. And you find them up here at the higher elevations instead of scrub jays. Down here, I'll just show you the creek. We'll go down there. There's the big western sycamore. Down here, this little trail, you get to the creek. But not all the sites have direct access to the creek. So right up here is space 13, that's our spot. Got some poison oak, but kind of head down here over the rocks, you get to this beautiful stream, our brook. This is called the Midaliha or Midahila. Forgot which one. Anyway, it's a stream here. We have little dragonflies and also damselflies. We hang out down here. And they're eating all the mosquitoes, hopefully. Okay. Lots of little shrubby trees growing here. Western sycamores, our oaks. We got a bunch of willows. Of course, our poison oak. And very pretty flowers along the stream side here. But most of all, it's good for washing your feet. Okay, after a nice hike. Down there. Some pretty flowers. Great little stream bed. I'll let you know how the mosquitoes work out later on. Alright, we got 4 bats up here buzzing around. We got 5 now. Okay, so this is a really, really good campsite. Number 13 up here at Wheeler Gorge